Right Honorable Robinah Nabbanja, who is also the Kakumiro District Woman Member of Parliament, says that the assessment is in preparation of the planned rehabilitation works scheduled to begin next week. Nabbanja says that this road was used by President Yoweri Museveni during the popular African Kwetu 2018 trek that covered a 120-mile walk from Galamba to Birembo, where his rebel army faced one of its toughest battles in the fight to overthrow Boti.
Our people also get produce from Mubende. The Mubende people also come and buy produce from our areas. There has been business over this bridge. It has been not possible for people to trade since that time. So I informed the Ministry of Works, who came here. Engineer Dongo was here. I informed the PS, Minister of Works. I informed the General Katumba. We had a number of meetings. In 2018, during the trek of the President, he passed here. This is where the President passed when he was trekking from Chamusisi, Chivoga, up to Mubende here, up to Butologo, then Kakumiro, up to Birembo. This is the road he used. So it's a presidential road.
Nabbanja says that this road crossing is pivotal in boosting trade and service delivery in the area.
Oluguudo luno luyamba wano waliwo hospital eya mission Kochi hospital. Abantu beno bajanjabirwa mu hospital eyo. Wano waliwo essomero ly'amaanyi lyemuwulira eriisa abaana era nalyo lya mission liyambibwako Abajamani liri wano balita Kochi Haibale. Abaana beno basomera eno ab'Emubende. Ate n'abantu baffe eno balimi. Abantu b'Emubende basuubula eno n'abeeno basuubula eri. So twasirana.
According to William Kabiho, Assistant Commissioner Engineering at the Ministry of Works and Transport, the assessment has been completed and they will be offering technical guidance.
At this border Mubende Kakumiro, border swamp crossing, which was washed away sometime back following the heavy rain. And I was requested by the PS and the Director of Engineering to come and assess the condition here. That's why I'm here with the Right Honorable Prime Minister. We shall come up with a report and see how we can.
Hope Grania Nakazibwe, the Mubende District Woman Member of Parliament, and Vogere Kaswija, the District Councillor, Kivijo Sub-County and Kakumiro District, both agree that this river crossing is key in connecting the two districts.
The Prime Minister Bwabajja ayita mu Mubende District. Era sente nyingi nnyo azireka mu Mubende District. Ezimunga zenga agambye abantu bawanokamba aboku stage wali eri abakyala mwebala okukola nga ffe lwaki tetwebaza.
Olutindo luno luhoyire okusobola kubala fuso ezitali hansi wa 2 ziba 15 ha 2 ebikyoli nibiruga Mubende nibigenda Kakumiro nibirabizaamu Kampala na Kiboga na handi obumonde buno butakuli obujungu burugayo muno Mubende ye kulimaga muno butakuli bijungu nibukulisa Kisiita Muitanzige Hoima na handi nabwekyo bintu bya maguzi bingi muno bitukozisaga kuba nibiraba kisarwa.
Some of the residents are happy that the government has come up to their aid after the Prime Minister visited the river.
Nitusima government ya Museveni abwo kutusindikira Prime Minister okuikaha mwanya aho ebizibu byaberire okugira ngo atuyambe okugira ngo tufone omuhanda aho abana bo kurabiramu bari kuza kushoma n'ebintu byitu ebyasisikire tufune oburyo bwo kwakubigaruriza.
The river crossing connects Mubende at Butologo and Kakumiro district is highly productive and eases transportation of produce between the two districts. The road works are expected to begin on 3rd January 2024 next week. Later in the day, the Premier met leaders from Kakumiro Town Council and Katikara Sub-County to assess service delivery in the year 2023 and also plan for 2024.